Today we're going to solve comparison word problems. Here's our first example. This year, 4th graders at Smith Elementary School collected 4,382 canned soups. This year, 293 more soup cans were collected than last year. How many soup cans did the 4th grade collect last year? Let's first draw a model. So we know that this year, 4,382 canned soups were collected by the 4th graders. This is 293 more soup cans than were collected last year. We need to subtract. 4,382 take away 293. We can't subtract 2 minus 3, so we're going to regroup. Our 8 becomes a 7. Our 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. We can't subtract 7 minus 9, so we'll regroup again. The 3 will become a 2. The 7 becomes a 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. 2 minus 2 is 0, and 4 minus 0 is 4. Our equation is 4,382 minus 293. The difference is 4,089. So the 4th graders collected 4,089 soup cans last year. Let's read the next example. This year, Smith Elementary School collected 5,774 pencils. Watson Elementary School collected 612 fewer pencils than Smith Elementary School. How many pencils did the Watson Elementary School collect? First, we'll draw a model. Smith Elementary School collected 5,774 pencils. Watson Elementary School collected 612 fewer pencils. Again, we need to subtract. We'll take 5,774 minus 612. 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. And 5 minus 0 is 5. Our equation is 5,774 minus 612. The difference is 5,162. So Watson Elementary School collected 5,162 pencils. Here's another example. Tribble Mill Park is 1,294 acres. Alexandra Park is 984 acres. How many more acres is Tribble Mill Park than Alexandra Park? So first record Tribble Mill's acres of 1,294. Then we'll record Alexandra Park's acres of 984. We need to find the difference, so we will subtract 1,294, take away 984. 4 minus 4 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now we have to regroup. We have 12 minus 9, which is 3. So our equation is 1,294, take away 984 to get the difference of 310. So Tribble Mill Park is 310 more acres than Alexander Park. And here's our last example. The flight to Colorado from Georgia is about 1,624 miles. So I'm going to record that on my chart. 1,624 miles. The flight to California from Georgia is about 2,456 miles. How many more miles is it to California than to Colorado from Georgia? Again, we need to find the difference. When I subtract 6 minus 4, I get 2. 5 minus 3, or 5 minus 2, I get 3. Now I have to regroup. The 2 becomes a 1. The 4 becomes a 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So my equation is 2,456. Take away 1,624. I find the difference to be 832. So California is 832 miles farther than Colorado from Georgia. And this concludes our lesson on comparison word problems.